Okay, for all y'all that don't believe my shot, I'll go ahead and show it to you. Okay, this is my shooting house. That's the window I shot it from. So I'll get right here and I'll go ahead and start counting. I shot it from over there, so got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. This right here is where I shot it. And it got up, kept walking, shot it again, right in there, and then got up again, shot it the other times, about 4 times in the head with the .22 pistol, and here it lay. So, there you go. Proved it.